Good day guys, ito ang inyong lingkod ay Freddy sa Facebook at sa YouTube at Pilipino sa America Blog. Ito ay para sa mga Katniel na update, no? Mukhang talagang totoo talaga yung hiwalayan ni Daniel Padilla at Catherine Bernardo at meron pa ito, si Andrea Brillantes, okay? At ito ay gusto kong mapanood nyo. Hindi naman yung kundi may pakita ko sa inyo yung pagsasalita, marinig ang pagsasalita ni Andrea Brillantes. Totoo yung kanyang sinabi at ito siya, no? Ito siya, okay?
Kahit hindi naman ako dapat at mas lalo pa pong dumadami yung mga fake news. Hindi ko na ho pahahabain pa, kaya here is my side of the truth and I hope you would all listen or at least give me a chance to explain. Grabe, nasa 80k na tayo. Okay, my hands are shaking. Hinanda
Si
ko na yung
Andrea
mga babasahin ko
Brillantes
para di
ito.
magkamali. I would like to address each issue one by one, so please bear with me. I'm gonna start off with we broke up last year, early October yon, and it was a painful breakup but it was a mutual decision, yung paghihiwalay namin. We both loved each other truly and deeply. We've learned so much from each other but in the end, we realized na we weren't growing as individuals na. Lahat ng fake news at pag-a-assume nyo sa nangyari sa relasyon namin, hindi ko totoo yun. We ended on good terms at yun naman ang importante. Napag-usapan din namin, we promised each other na magpapatuloy pa rin kami sa work namin. Because we love each other as friends and we also like the company of each other as actors. At gusto namin matupad yung pinag-usapan namin 2 years ago tungkol sa mga pangarap namin. Yun lang ho, hindi na magbibigay na masyado pang detail. Basta nire-respeto ko si San Fidelin at nire-respeto ko yung love team namin. At mahal na mahal ho namin yung fans namin. Second, I admit I made an honest mistake and that was showing my emotions online sa public. Kaya this is why you should always think before doing something at aaminin ko, my mind was too clouded with sorrow that I forgot to think about what will happen next or how this could affect me and people around me. I had no contact with them when I saw the picture. So I made a TikTok which made everything worse. I know na I should have asked first. I should have consulted my managers before
So,
posting
si
it.
Andrea
Or
Brillantes
sana
ito.
nanahimik na lang talaga ako. Pero sana man lang guys, once maisip nyo na tao lang din ako. And it was my first heartbreak so hindi ko talaga alam kung paano siya
Lahat naman ng
i-handle.
tao nagdadaan sa ganyang
But I couldn't blame you guys
situation.
kasi never naman kami nag-out sa relationship namin. Kaya kahit masakit na sinasabi ng mga tao na wala akong karapatan kasi never naman naging kami, masakit kasi actually naging kami. Naging kami for 2 years and 3 months. Kaya nga I used that song because the lyrics in that song was the most accurate and most relevant lyrics to what I was feeling at the time. Wala din naman akong sinisisi. I never meant to pull anyone down. Ayoko manira ng tao. Nagulat lang din talaga ako and I was just really hurt. Kasi kaibigan ko pa yung kasama.
No.
Pero I had no bad intentions. Hindi ko lang talaga naisip because I was acting based on my emotions.
So, malinaw yan yung kanyang mensahe na si Andrea Brillantes. Totoo talaga. So, totoong hiwalayan talaga si Daniel at Catherine. So, mga Katniel, yan ang katotohanan at yan ay inamin ni Andrea Brillantes. Okay? So, talagang ganyan ang buhay eh. Pero meron pa namang, pwede pa namang magkasundo eh. Dahil wala na rin sila. So, okay. Till my next vlog, this is your host, Freddy. Okay? At Filipinos America Blog YouTube channel. In God we trust, never hold your peace.